Namaskar, I am Dr. Pankaj Naram, and there is a very powerful question. Many women are asking me, the world is asking me, many doctors are asking me. Dr. Giovanni Principali, who is one of my best students, is always asking me, can a woman over 40, 45 or 50 can become pregnant or have babies with the lost ancient healing methods? Now, believe it or not, I also never believed in that till I got some very powerful ancient scriptures. And these ancient scriptures, which is known as Siddha-Rahasyam. Siddha-Rahasyam means the secret wisdoms or secrets of how a woman over 40, 45, 50 can have babies. What happened? I had a master who lived up to 125, also had a master who lived up to 145, also had a master, also had a master. One of the oldest university on this planet, Nalanda University. It is said in the history that in the Nalanda University, one of our masters were teaching. At that time, there were thousands of students coming from many parts of the world at that time, something like more than 7, 8, 900 years. It says people came from Sri Lanka, from Himalaya, Tibet, Nepal, and even from Iran. So why they were coming? There were many subjects. In that, this Yauvan Rahasyam is one of the very powerful scriptures which one of my masters was translating. And they were saying that how can anybody look younger, feel younger, live younger at any age? So when a woman, when she passes around 40, 45, her whole system goes into menopause. Now, what are the secrets which any woman can use to look younger, feel younger, at the same time she can have a good ovulation? Fennel powder 3 teaspoon. Fennel means badi saunf. Badi saunf, fennel powder 3 teaspoon, suwa dana, dil seeds 1.5 teaspoon, jeera, cumin powder 2 teaspoon, ajwain powder 1.5 teaspoon, hing, asafoetida about 1/8 teaspoon, and black salt 1.5 teaspoon, and rock salt 1.5 teaspoon. You mix everything together, put it into 1/2 cup of water and allow it to settle for 1.5 hours. After 1.5 hours, you stir it. A woman should stir it and take it first thing in the morning. Same, take it in the afternoon, then in the evening and at night. And believe it or not, some wonderful transformation happens in woman's body. Suddenly, her estrogen and progesterone, which is haywire, start balancing itself. And at the same time, woman Shakti formula, healthy woman formula, and young woman formula, 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, and 2 at night. Depends upon a woman whether she is 40 plus or 45 plus. This wonderful woman whom I am talking about, her name is Angie. She was told by one great Pandit Ram in Trinidad that according to your horoscope, you don't have children from many years. But why don't you go to Dr. Naram? So from Trinidad, she came to see me in Ottawa in Canada. And we started this process, this home remedy. At the same time, lubrication is very important. So cow's ghee, first week, any woman who is about 40 or plus, 45 plus or even 50, and she is going towards menopause or periods are not coming, the remedy which I told you should take, but at the same time, ghee 1 teaspoon. First week, ghee 1 teaspoon. Second week, ghee 1.5 teaspoon with cardamom powder 1/8 teaspoon. Third week, you take ghee 2 teaspoon and cardamom powder about 1/2 teaspoon, and continue this process. And suddenly maybe 3 months, maybe 6 months, maybe 9 months, maybe 12 months. Suddenly the lubrication starts, Dhatva Agni improves, metabolism improves, and the woman who had no period or painful period or dryness in the whole system including vagina, the lubrication happens, and that lubrication brings periods, which I have seen in thousands and thousands of women who can have babies after 40, 45 or even 50. So we are going to listen to this wonderful story which I believe will inspire you.
So I was trying to have a baby. So my guru in Trinidad suggested that I visit with Dr. Naram because I tried IVF and it didn't work out. Yeah, because of my age as well, because I'm 45. So I came to Dr. Naram last year December. So we met in New York. I took his medicines, listened to his instructions. So I'm back because I'm actually pregnant now. So yeah, so now he's going to help me take care of the baby. He predicted 2, but I'll stop at 1. It was difficult for me to believe after, Western science saying no, then coming here and then it actually happened. I mean, I'm still actually in shock that it did happen, so. It was relative to my diet and his medicines. So it was to stay away from acid and wheat, which was difficult, but yeah, I did it. Not the wheat so much, but definitely the citrus. And then his herbal supplements. Yeah. So it was young woman's, vibrant health, Pitta Yoga, a lot of those, the detox formula. So I took 9 tablets in the morning and 9 in the night, religiously. It was tough. At first, it was difficult. I'd probably take like half an hour to get them all down. And then after maybe about a month or so, it was just routine and easy to take. He listens, he understands, and he tries to help you as far as possible. Again, it's up to us to actually take heed because you can come to him but not actually take the medicine or try to adjust your diet because you yourself have to adjust. So once you adjust, you'll be fine. I've also interacted with other patients of his, and they've also just had positive responses as well. So when I was in New York, there was a couple and they were there because their son was actually very ill, terminally ill. They came to Dr. Naram and it was 6 months and he was actually, feeling much better. Even people in Trinidad who have come to Dr. Naram are actually, doing much better. And they would have also tried normal medicines, going to a regular doctor and not seeing any improvements. But after meeting Dr. Naram, they're definitely better off. Right. So I definitely recommend Dr. Naram to anybody. So Dr. Naram, I would like to thank you from my heart. Let's stop. That's it.
Believe it or not, this NG story inspires me and it makes me have a lot of confidence on my scriptures, which is known as Yauvan Rahasyam. Yauvan Rahasyam are more than thousands of years old scriptures, handwritten scriptures, which comes from Nalanda University directly as a lineage to me, and I am translating and giving you the secret as it is. Also, if you are more than 40, 45 or 50 and you want your uterus to be like a young woman, you take your right hand up. After 4 fingers, this is the marma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am giving this marma to many women who are about 40, 45 or 50 plus, and they get suddenly some amazing transformation. They call me and tell me, Dr. Naram, you have changed my life. This is so powerful. And when I listen to this, I feel as if I got a child. I feel so happy for me creating this possibility, creating this opportunity with this lost ancient secrets, makes me the highest happiness on this planet. I love you all and I invite you, if you have any burning question on becoming pregnant or getting periods, or if you have got too much periods, what to do, if you have no periods, what to do, if you have got painful periods, what to do, please write to me. I will love to share with you such powerful ancient secrets which I believe can change your life forever. I love you all. Namaskar.